looking at what we've done in the last 14 days, I'm pretty happy about it. But the car's not going to be ready for the track today.
Okay, let's go. Let's just plug stuff in and then we're gonna be done soon. Well, we're making some progress. Got the battery in. We have mostly everything plugged up. Got the vacuum line on the turbo. We still have a few more things to do, so we're getting there.
If you watched my other episode, the one where Despair showed up, you saw that I tried to repair the wiring harness. And from the connections I tested, it seemed like it's okay. We even had power going to the starter and the BCU. But now there's just no power, and I could spend the rest of the day going through and finding out why and fixing it, but this harness is really, really bad, and I have other plans for the ECU. I wasn't ready to start on those plans, but given the current situation, that's what we're gonna do. Unfortunately, this is the last episode of Trash to Track Season 1, and we didn't get the car started. We also aren't gonna make the track event on the 17th. But that's okay, because we've done a lot of work. We've learned a lot. We know so much more about this engine, where everything's located. Which will involve rewiring the entire car, and we're going to be hooking it up to a open source ECU called a Speeduino. I'm going to take you along that process with me. I know at this point I must just seem like a complete failure to you, but it's okay, I feel the same way about myself. Together, we're gonna make this thing run. Well, if you want to see ZZ on the track, please subscribe. Thanks again for joining me on Trash to Track Season 1. I'm Brandon Kahn, an experienced designer. This has been ZZ, the Z31, and Dee the Yaris. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you. Take care of yourself.